Good evening everyone. Today's topic is idioms. In Hindi, we call it muhavre. What is an idiom? Idioms are phrases or expressions that have hidden meanings. Idioms are phrases which people use in everyday language which do not make sense literally. Do not make sense literally means words which are not used in usual or basic sense. Their meaning is something else. But we can understand their meanings and we can understand what they actually mean. Here is one example. It's raining cats and dogs. Its meaning is it is raining heavily. If idioms were literal, then you can see in the picture what it really would mean. But it is not like that. It is raining cats and dogs means it is raining heavily, not the thing which is depicted in the picture. Idioms are fun and useful expressions. Idioms need to be memorized as a whole. If your mother says, "I think it's time to hit the hay," she means it's a bedtime. More examples are there. A hard nut to crack. Its meaning is a difficult problem or person to deal with. Sentence: this assignment is a hard nut to crack. Here are some idioms with the word time. First one is from time to time. It means occasionally, not regularly. Second is kill time, means to spend time. Example: I am just killing time until my mom arrives. Let's start worksheet 33. Page number 39, practice book. Write the meaning of the following idioms. The first one is break into a smile. Its meaning is to start smiling suddenly. Tanya is unsure whether she is happy about the win, but finally breaks into a smile. Second, beat about the bush, meaning to discuss a matter without coming to the point. Number 3, have a clean record, means to have a good reputation. Sentence: it is very important for me to keep this clean record. Number 4, from close quarters, meaning is a situation of being very uncomfortably close to someone. Sentence can be: the refugees live in close quarters in the camp. Number 5, throw your mind back. What is its meaning? Its meaning is think back and recall a past event. You can understand better with the help of this example. Throw your mind back to the year the team won the world record. Next one, turn up like a bad penny. It means appear at a place where one is not welcome. Number 7, gather your wits together, means make an effort to become calm and think clearly. You can make it a sentence like, I spent the 5 minutes break between games to gather my wits together and rethinking my strategies. Next one is head in a whirl, means confused and unable to think clearly. Today I have a lot of work to do. My head is in a whirl. Number 9, getting into people's hair, means interfering with and annoying people. Sentence you can make: don't get into my hair today because I don't have the patience for it. And the last, go nuts, meaning go mad or crazy. My sister will go nuts when she finds out I crashed her car. That is all for today. Thank you.